Ni hao, 我是 Fair. I'm your tutor for Chinese. Welcome to our practical Chinese course. In previous video, I have discussed with you the greetings. Okay. Now in this video, we are going to learn personal pronoun. By the end of this video, you will easily say I, you, he or she. Okay. So let's start with this topic. So the first word is 我. It means I or me. It is the first person pronoun. So please read after me. 我. Use your hands to assign yourself for the tune. 我. Okay. The second word is second person pronoun. 你. It means you. And the third one is third person pronoun. And for all these letters, for all these pronouns, we have one word in Chinese, that is ta. So he or him, she or her or it, they all are expressed in Chinese as ta. Please read after me. Ta. Okay. In Chinese language, like is expressed as xi huan. I have put this word here to make one simple sentence for you. So the one simple sentence for you is I like you. So how we will express in this Chinese? I like you. So you have to I like you. So how we will say? 我喜欢你. Yes, please read after me. 我喜欢你. Okay, so you can put different pronouns to make this sentence more different. Okay, maybe he likes you, so it means 他喜欢你. Okay, so for these letters, if you are going to make it plural, so what you have to put this letter man. Okay, without tone, man. So all these pronouns become plural. Okay, you plural, he or he, she become they. So how will pronounce? Please read after me. 我们. It means we or us. Okay. The second letter is 你们. It means you all. Okay. So the second person pronoun for plural is 你们. Okay. The third person pronoun when it becomes plural, so it's 他们. Okay. So hope you will enjoy this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.